Today, I'm going to talk about the truth about portable massage tables. I have two tables that I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison. The year today is 2018, but the massage market is acting like it's 1992. There is a lie going around with massage tables. The lie is spending more for identical tables. When I say identical tables, what I mean is my table here that I've been selling for 7 years straight and a competitor's table, who I will not say their name, that came from the same manufacturer as my table, charging double the amount. This table here, you guys can Google it. We've been selling without any issues at all. Our table and our competitor's table both have standard 3-inch thickness. So when you hear or you look at a description, 3 inch is normally standard for a portable table. Both tables have 3-inch thickness. Our table out of the box, which both of these just came out of the box, both have a head cradle cushion. Our cushion, we actually took our customers' information, being that we're in Portland, Oregon, and surrounded by 3 massage schools. I've been able to take real life information and remake our head cushion so that it contours, so that when your customers are laying down, their eyes won't feel pressurized by this indentation. So that's one thing that we've done with our cushion. This is a cushion from 1996. Going over to the head cradle, both tables have their own head cradle. Ours is contoured, so is theirs. Finally, both tables itself have what we call the front armrest. Ours attaches to the head cradle. Theirs goes straight in. And finally, for easy transportation, most tables that are portable, maybe even all tables that are portable, come with its own carrying case. So as you can see here, our carrying case fits perfectly for this table. Their carrying case fits their table. So going back to what I was talking about the truth, when you are about to enter school, when you're about to maybe buy a table for home use, you have to make a decision. Are you going to purchase a table for double the cost and you're going to pay for shipping, or purchase the exact same table with the exact same warranty, we offer 1 year by the way, for slightly less? That's a decision you're going to have to make. From my own experience, I would personally spend on a company that's being transparent. As you can see here at DevLon NorthWest, we're 100% transparent with what we do. You can see that on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. But going back to the tables and the specs on the tables, why I think our table, our whole portable line called the Aria portable table, is a great value is because of this. Not only are you getting the exact same table as our competitor for a little bit less, I have worked, again, being here in Portland and speaking with one student at a time for the last 7 years, I have taken their recommendations and created a table that does 3 things in one. So not only is it one, a portable massage table that you can use for school, you can use for home use, we added a secondary feature to this, which is the Reiki panel. So when you look at this table, this is what we refer to as the Reiki panel. It allows the massage therapist to, as you can see my knee there, to go deep in during their session. So that is what we call a Reiki panel. So that's the second feature on this table. Not only is it a portable massage table that can be used on any setting, one, we have now the Reiki panel, which is mainly for massage therapists who have the skills for Reiki massage. The biggest feature that I like, that it took me years to perfect with my company that produces these tables, is the shiatsu drop. So shiatsu, again, I am not a massage therapist, is when the entire table is flat on the floor. That allows for a specific type of massage done directly on the floor. So if you guys hang with me here, I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the table now in its position and then bring it right to the floor and then bring it right back up to the floor. So let me start on this side here. I'm going to tilt it over. So the key here, as you guys see, is cables. All tables use cables to kind of keep and support its table weight. This is the shiatsu release cable. So what I'm going to do here is release these cables. To make it very, very easy, what I've done was I've only created 2 release knobs on one section. So instead of releasing 4 cables, you're able to do this with just 2. So now I'm going to loosen it. Ta-da! So I don't want to walk with my shoes on this table, but as you can see now, it's fully ready to go for shiatsu massage. I'm walking on this table. That's how easy it was. It was just less than a minute for me to drop it to the ground. Our competitor table, for double the cost, can't do that. So going back, I want to now take a second and just show you guys how quickly I can put it back to its standing settings right now. So as you guys can see, bam, I put both knobs back onto the table. So you guys, I can't make the decision for you. I've been selling portable massage tables here in Portland, Oregon for 7 years straight. We have customers that come in almost every single day buying our tables, and they have to make a decision. Do they want to spend double the cost on our competitor table or less on our table, which offers the same benefits plus more, plus our exclusive 1-year warranty? So to close out my video,